Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walk around tour of our new 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLC220d AMG line we have new in stock. This is a ULEZ compliant Euro 6 diesel vehicle and is also a VAT qualifying car. To begin with the exterior, you've got the 19-inch split spoke design alloy wheels with the diamond turned finish, some of the chrome trim inserts around the car as part of your AMG line inclusions as well. You've got the privacy glass as an added optional feature, LED tail lights, LED daytime running lights at the front. You've got half leather, half dynamic and microfiber interior with half electric functions and lumbar support available for the driver and the passenger. Also heated seats for both front passengers as well. Your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel where you've got access to cruise control with your touch swipe controls as well. You've got the MMI touchpad on the center console with access to some of your dynamic driving modes and your infotainment features. You've also got the open port Ashwood inlay trims, your climate control functions, your matte silver finished climate vents, and your center screen, where you've got the updated infotainment system, which gets you features such as DAB radio and access to some of your dynamic driving modes as well as your sat nav. If you would like any more information, would like to book a viewing or a test drive on this 2019 GLC220d, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end or inquire for our website.